Well, it is calm, at least.
And beautifully ordinary. Not at all the sort of setting for a ghost story.
Our ghosts seem to have disappeared into the ocean. Must have felt like a swim. Sasha, is that you? Come out, wherever you are.
She's so contrary she wouldn't answer anyway.
Don't tell me you've started to believe in the spirit world.
No, I'm afraid I just don't have that sort of imagination. No, I am positive that the figure out there today was made of flesh and blood and can be held by human hands.
Except ours. Like that voice said on the phone. The closer you get, the farther away I'll be. And at this point, I don't care if it's a ghost or a real person. I just want it to stop.
I have a feeling that we are somehow missing the beach for the sand. If we could only step back a little, look at the facts from a different angle, get a little different perspective, maybe the solution would become obvious.
How do we do that?
I'm working on it. What are you doing?
I'm wishing on a star. It worked when I was a kid. I'm desperate.
Oh, what the hell? Something tells me that your dream is going to come true sooner than you thought.
Dinner's not going to be for a while yet. I've got to defrost it. Hamburger again. Pretty soon, it's going to be prime rib. I have got Mason and Julia exactly where I want them. You never would have cut me in on any of your deals, would you, sis? Why would you ever care what happened to your own sister? You always were a cold bitch. Mm-hmm.